Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to create this look for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is around the corner and I realized that I've never done a Valentine's Day look tutorial on my channel. So I just thought that this is the perfect time. I am not a fan of red color. I am a fan of red color, but then I don't want to make usage of red color when it comes to my makeup or dressing sense for Valentine's Day because this is something which we have been doing from a very long time. So today in my makeup, there would be no red, but I'm hoping that you would like the look what I'm going to put together for my Valentine's Day. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay guys, so I've already moisturized my face with the L'Oreal moisturizer and I've also moisturized my lips with the Khadi Natural Lip Balm. So the next step is putting the foundation. Today I'm going to use these two beautiful foundation. I'm going to mix these two. One is the L'Oreal True Match and the other one is the Lakme Foundation 925. So I'm going to mix these two. The next thing which I'm going to use is the Sephora Luminizer. So this basically adds a bit of shine and sparkle on your face, and today I want my skin to look a little bit more glowy, so I'm going to use this. You can either mix this with foundation or you can apply this before foundation. What I love basically doing is applying this after foundation. So I'm done with my foundation application. Now I'm just going to take a bit of it and spread it across my entire face. So basically I don't use this on my eyelids. This is totally an optional step. If you want, you can put this on your eyelids also, but I just love to put it on my face. And now I'm done, and now I'm going to put some concealer. So for concealer these days, my favorite is Maybelline Dual V Stick. This is the one which I use for concealing and as well as for contouring. So I'm kind of having a feeling these days that I have a lot of dark circle under my eyes. So I'm gonna dab a lot of the concealer around my eyes. Also a bit on the top of my lips and my chin areas. I'm going to also add a little bit of concealer on top of my eyelids though. You can take a brush and then apply, but I just like putting this concealer as a stick, so I'm comfortable. But when it comes to spreading the concealer uniformly on your face, then please don't use your hand. Use a brush because your your fingers won't be able to spread it evenly. A brush will do a better work. So just for a change today, before I do the entire contouring of my face and application of blush, I'm going to use this favorite MAC moisturizer, and I'm going to really take a large amount of it because I want to show my skin a lot of shiny and glowy. So I'm just gonna make a very good usage of this one today. So let's get started. Inside of me, in this desert, I can look at you with love. Okay guys, so next thing is the contouring, and today I'm not going to use it a lot. I don't want to look my face harsh for this makeup tutorial, but then there are certain areas which I would definitely like to contour and highlight, so I'm just going to make very less use. So I'm not contouring my cheeks, I'm just contouring my forehead, my nose, and just a little bit near to my chin and the lower jaw. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of pinkish blush on my cheek because I just want to highlight. So now I'm going to highlight my eyebrows, and for that I'm using this brow pencil in brown color from Etude House. Okay, so now I'm switching over to my eye makeup, and for that I'm using this Wet n Wild Bare Necessity palette, and I'm going to use today this shade. This is actually very, very light, and it would look really, really nice on eyes. So I'm using the same color on my eyelids and on the crease of my eyes. Now I'm gonna add some eyeliner to my eyes, and for that I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Super Liner. It's super easy to use and it gets dry very quickly. So I'm done with the application of eyeliner, and now I'm gonna go off camera to put my false lashes. Oh God, I don't know how people, those who say that they can do fake eyelashes within 30 seconds, how do they do it? I mean, for me, it's a huge task. I mean, hats off to those people who can just do this within nanoseconds. Really, hats off to you guys. So I'm done with my false lashes. For the false lashes, I'm using today Nykaa's OTT Drama, and the glue I'm using is eye adhesive waterproof eyelashes glue. And now I'm just gonna add a bit of mascara to my false eyelashes. Today I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and this is basically to hide if the glue color or something is visible. Of course, I have put another layer of eyeliner just to hide the white color of the glue. They also have black color eye glue, but I've never used it. So in case there is any white color still looking on my false eyelashes, so I just want to hide it. So the one coat of eyeliner and then a repeat of mascara is a must. I think I've forgotten to add something. Oh yeah, the kajal. For kajal today I'm using Lakme 9 to 5 black one. So for blush today, I'm using this Wet n Wild Illuminating Palette. And I'm going to mix two colors, the first one and the last one. Okay guys, so the look is complete. This is the final look for my Valentine's Day, and for lipstick I have used today the Bobbi Brown nude shade. And yeah, I think I'm good to go to the Valentine's Day party. Do let me know in the comment section below what are you going to do when it comes to makeup for the Valentine's Day, and do let me know if you like this video or not. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye.